Hello YouTubers, today we are going to make mushroom and cheese. So we are going to do stuffed mushroom and cheese. Here are the ingredients we have. I have three different types of cheese. I have goat cheese, which is in the round cheese, and I have mozzarella, and I have Parmesan cheese. So I'm using three different types of cheese. You can only use two if you want, but for using different type of cheese, you give it more flavor. So first I'm going to, as you see these stamp inside, I'm going to take them out now. So that's one. So you just pop them out. They easily come out. And let's take the second one out. Oops, third one out. There we go. We have all the stamp out. Right. On that, I'm just going to, a little tiny bit of salt. I'm not going to put a lot of salt in there. Just squirt a little bit of salt. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Parmesan cheese in the mushroom at the bottom. So I'll stuff it all with cheese. Then we're going to cut the goat cheese. It's quite soft, the goat cheese. And we're going to put the goat cheese above that. And the last cheese we're going to put in is the mozzarella cheese. So if you don't like goat cheese, try another cheese. You can use just mozzarella and parmesan. You don't have to use goat cheese. It's optional. But the goat cheese gives it a really, really delicious flavor. And I think this goat cheese has some form of herb in it as well. It's quite nice, this cheese. I didn't read the ingredients. Sorry, I just bought it. It's a bit messy. So that's two sets of cheese I'm going to do. What I have in here as well, I have some spinach. So I'm going to soften the spinach, and then I stuff the spinach on top of the cheese. The two cheese that I put in. Then I'm going to spread the mozzarella over it. I soften that's the spinach, because I don't want the spinach to take up too much room. So I'm softening the spinach, and now I'm gonna I just put some butter in the spinach and soften it with some butter, and I'm gonna add the spinach on top of the two cheese that I already packed it with. It's mushroom and cheese mainly, not mushroom and spinach. So now I'm gonna put some more goat cheese and top of this spinach. Don't cut enough. It's a bit messy, the goat cheese, but we'll get there. So you have to kind of shove it off the knife because it's quite sticky, the goat cheese. Oopsie daisy. I don't want to put too much goat cheese because it's quite strong. So now this is the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to stuff that in on the top. Now I need more mozzarella cheese. As you can see, this one take up most of it. So I'm taking some from the package and I'm gonna stuff on it. Here we go. Want as much cheese as possible because it's mushroom and cheese, right? And here we go. I think it's all done. I just put a little bit more on this one, so it's nicely stuffed with cheese. And now I move this tray from here. Just move these bits from here, this plate, and this is my tray with some olive spray. we're gonna put these mushrooms in the tray. And all the leftover cheese in the plate, we're gonna stuff them in. So move this plate from here, just like that. Put them away a bit from each other. No cheese, you don't want any cheese in the tray, so you remove any cheese bits from the tray, and then you just spray the olive spray over the mushroom, and you just so. Oven is hot, and we're going to put these in the oven now to bake, and we're going to serve these hot. So let's go to the oven. The oven to bake. This is your mushroom and cheese, and it's now finished, and this is how it looked, and I'm gonna dig in. It is delicious. To go with our breakfast, with our mushroom, which we're gonna do 2 eggs. Sorry. So we're gonna do 2 nicely egg done. But I don't want the head over down. We're just gonna slightly do the heads. They call it sunny side egg or runny egg. They call it different names in different places. So this is what we're gonna serve with our head and mushroom. I'm not good at flipping egg, so I'll just done it in my way. So I'll put some salt on the other side, and I'm going to put some on this side, and the black pepper. And this is what's going to go with our breakfast. So this is going to dump on the plate now. Doesn't fry the egg for long because you don't want it to overdone. See? You can see that it's running. You just want to make sure that both sides are, see? Nicely done. So we're going to put this on the plate. So guys, this is what I served the breakfast with. 2 runny egg, very runny, and some tomato. So this is what I'll cut the egg and show you how runny it is, but that's what I served the mushroom and cheese with for breakfast. So you can have a go at this recipe. It is great.